Yo, what up everybody? Infinite Nerdism here, back with a Poptopia unboxing. This is going to be a two-parter. I ordered 2 boxes. I just got home from work, so this is around 9-10 p.m. on Wednesday, August 1st. My second box I will get tomorrow. Don't worry about it. You're going to see the end product. It's going to have 2 boxes. Great. First, I'm going to open box number 13. 13 I picked for my birthday, January 13th. 13's always been a lucky number for me, so hopefully I get something good. This is a Poptopia Sunday box that had Unmasked Barry Allen. That's the one I want. It had 2 Freddy Funkos from the Fun Days at SDCC. It had Belle from the original Disney line. And then it had another one. It was like one of the original Funko characters, the monster one. But yeah, let's open this up. First unboxing, 13. Let's go. By tomorrow, I should have the box of fun. And I will do an unboxing video for that as well. So be sure to check out my channel for that. Like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Instagram, all that nonsense. But let's slice this open. Why so serious on the knife? Let's put this away. Not looking down, not looking down. This is the paper here. Last time I showed it, I am not going to show it. I am going to put it down on the floor. And let's lift this up. Not looking down. It's so hard not to. First one, let's take it out. It is Dragon Ball Z Zeno from Galactic Toys. Dragon Ball Super right there. I don't watch a lot of Dragon Ball. I know. I know like the original one, but Super I don't watch. But that's it right there. Which means there's a comment in here, which means I didn't get a grail on this box. We still got number 81, so we'll wait on that. So let's look at this one. Is Top Cat. I don't have this one. I did see it. I know there was a chase version to this. I think it was different color or whatever. But yeah, so did not get a Care Bear this time, which is a plus. But we shall see what the other one will bring. 13 didn't bring me a Grail. Barry Allen, I'm still searching for it. Now to get to the number 81 box that I ordered, let's pay homage to one of my favorites YouTubers, Anthony Fantano, with a good old-fashioned transitions. So here, day number 2, I got picked these up at Hot Topic today. Deku right here, where he's using his power, his quirk, and he breaks his arm. He only has his finger here, and then let's turn that around. So that there, I finally got the sets. And Sue, there it is, there she is, and right there, pretty cool looking pop. And then the reason why I went was because of this guy right there. Ooh, Aizawa. It's a pretty cool looking pop. The regular one looks cool. I wanted this one for sure. Picked those up today, but this is part 2 of the Poptopia unboxing mystery box, and I got number 81 right there. So you know what that means. I had to bring out the Kobe's again. The Kobe's make a comeback. Number 81 for his 81-point game. Hopefully they bring me luck. First box was no grail. Hopefully this one is something good. Kobe, let's do this. I do have my box of fun that came in today. That's actually right here. So you'll see this video pretty soon. They should be uploaded within moments of each other. So go check that out. See what I got. I don't even know what I got yet. So we'll find that pretty entertaining. Hopefully there's something good. I'm hoping something good. And let's do it. Let's do it. What the hell? What does that say? Is it right? I can't see. Whatever. Let's go. So, without looking down, let's do this one. Oh, we got a chase. American Gods Chase. So I'll tell you this right now. This is going to my wife. She watches this show. I don't. She's gonna love this. She is. That's pretty awesome. That makes me happy. And I see what this one is right here. So, it is Mad Max here. Capable. So I didn't watch the movie, even though it won a bunch of awards. I should watch the movie. Probably gonna give this to my wife as well. So this is pretty much her box. So let's do a recap. First box that I had was number 13. It was Top Cat, and then the Dragon Ball Super pops right here. And then, of course, the one I just got was the American Gods Chase and Mad Max Capable. That's pretty cool. Hope you like that 2-in-1 Poptopia thing. It was a last minute decision. I just was like, I have to get that 81. I saw it. She is going to be excited. But yeah, check out my box of fun unboxing somewhere here. Follow me on Instagram at Infinite Nerdism somewhere here at the bottom. Until next time, guys, have a good one.